This type of stuff we deal with even when we're trying to get rest. This is so stupid. We fall asleep and all of a sudden the alarm goes off. It's just blazing. Oh my gosh. We were just falling asleep in the middle of the night and this is what happens. We're in between locations right now and all of a sudden alarm's going off, everything's flashing. This is what happens. Never ends. We can never get rest, even when we're not at a haunted location. We're just stopping at a hotel. Alarm just going off. It's always awesome to listen to. I love that sound in the middle of the night.
Can't win.
So what happens when we're just about to get rest? We're in between locations filming. We're in Ohio and suddenly all the fire alarms go off right as we're going to sleep for the first time that we haven't slept in haunted houses. Right as you passed out, fire alarms started going crazy. So we're going outside. Man, we're tired. We've been driving all day. We were just about to get rest, re-energized, and we've been in a haunted inn, sleeping there for the last couple days, and I literally have had no rest. It was our first night of getting clean again, re-energized, and now these freaking fire alarms are going off. Oh, it sucks.